Login failed on Vanguard Personal Advisor app fix. You launch your Vanguard app to review your retirement plan and suddenly login failed. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth. Most login issues on the Vanguard Personal Advisor app are simple to fix. Let's go through exactly how. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Vanguard's platform uses high security encryption, so even a weak or interrupted signal can block access. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network. Next, update your app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Vanguard, and tap Update. Outdated version often can't connect properly after security upgrades or server changes. If that doesn't solve it, re-enter your login details manually. Many users rely on autofill, but if your stored password is old or incorrect, it'll keep failing. Type your credentials carefully or tap Forgot Password if you need to reset it. Another effective fix is to clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Vanguard Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. It's the easiest way to reset temporary files and authentication tokens. Now, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. Vanguard servers sometimes block logins from masked or foreign IPs as a security measure. If all else fails, try logging in from the Vanguard website. If it works there, the problem is local to the app. If it doesn't, Vanguard servers may be undergoing maintenance, which happens periodically for security updates. So when your Vanguard Personal Advisor app says login failed, don't stress. The fix is usually quick. Check your internet, update your app, re-enter your password, and clear your cache. In just a few minutes, you'll be back to monitoring your investments and keeping your financial goals on track.